for grad school, but I don't know the order to put them in. Does Shakespeare go first and my contemporary go last? Or do I end with comedy and start with dramatic? I'm so confused and I don't know what to do. Oh, hey, that was me a few months ago. I want to talk to you guys about how to organize your monologues. So I was at the point where I had my stuff chosen. I think I had 5 monologues in total memorized and ready to go. And I cannot emphasize the importance of having somebody watch all your pieces, because how you feel about them and how you feel about the way that things are coming off, you may just need an outside perspective to give you some insight, to give you some advice. And I was looking at videos of, like, you know, how to organize my packages, looking at other past, you know, grad school students, and I heard one person say, like, you know, end on a happy, like your comedic monologue, because you don't want to leave the room on a heavy note. I heard some people say, like, save your best piece for last, you know, like kind of keep your weapon in your back pocket. And that's the route I was going. So I was going to lead with my comedic Shakespeare and end with, like, for me, my weapon, like my strongest piece, which is my contemporary dramatic piece. And you don't even know if you'll get a chance to show your other pieces. So you got to go with what you think are your strongest too. And I got in front of one of my old professors and I led with my comedic Shakespeare, and I ended with my contemporary dramatic, and I finished, and he went, Noah, switch. You gotta start with your contemporary dramatic. And I was kind of hesitant because I was like, I feel like I should save that. I want to leave the room on like my big number, you know what I'm saying? But his whole thing was, when you start, you gotta set the room on fire. And my contemporary dramatic was that weapon in my back pocket. So I would say, don't get caught up in leaving the room with the comedy and making sure they're laughing at the end of it. Like, the way you start is everything. And I would say, just get some eyes on your pieces, so you know you gotta come out swinging. Don't let other things kind of interfere. Don't get too, you know, oh, I want to leave them like this. Oh, if I do, like, don't make it harder than it is. If you know something is your strongest piece, start strong. Like, why not start with, like, everything out, and why not start on 10? So that's my advice, and I think it worked.